All right, today we're looking at the Dexter 8,000 pound electric brake trailer axles. These are the new style axles Dexter just came out with. And what's different about these 8K axles is they have the 12.25 by 2.5 inch brakes on them, where typically the 8K axles would have the 12.25 by 3 3/8 brakes on them. So smaller brake on these axles. They say they did it so you can run the 95 inch hub face with the 80 inch spring centers, which we already have a solution for that with our 8Ks. But anyways, let's test it in here. So these particular axles, they have the 9/16 studs on them, 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern, standard bolt pattern. They have the Easy Lube grease on them, so you pop off this little rubber cap right here and it has the Zerk fitting in there, so you can just put on your grease gun and squirt some grease in there. They do come 5/8 studs and the oil bath stud. So with the oil and bath lubrication, you'll get the new Fortress caps with them. But this particular customer wanted Easy Lube with the 9/16 studs. So it has a standard 4-hole backing plate on it, just like most 8Ks do. Spring pads are pre-welded on at 80 inches. And it has the 3.5 inch tube on it. And you can see these are not pre-wired. I don't know why they would not come pre-wired, but for some reason they're not. Anyways, it has a paint finish on it, black paint. And yeah, they're self-adjusting brakes and they're ready to go. So these are the new style 12.25 by 2.5 inch 8K axles by Dexter. So really the only difference is the 2.5 inch brakes on them versus the standard 3.5, 3 3/8 brakes on them. And you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. And we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.